All right, rule one, when you're doing an experiment with water and you use the stupid outside plug that's connected to the GFI in the garage, that is, do not let the water drip on the wires. So yeah, my GFI just tripped in the garage. This thing was nice and warm. I wasn't filming at all. I was just giving it a test run after I installed this water heat exchanger. It was over 90 in here, and I think it was 115. Actually, that's what it was. Yeah, it's pretty warm. That's warm enough for a freaking bath. That's pretty warm, pretty hot, getting hot. But 620. I ran it like 11 minutes, 10 or more like 10 minutes. It's been a few minutes since the GFI tripped. Oh well, sun's going down again. Can't even see it now. Gonna push this back into the garage, but just to give you guys a quick preview on this thing here, I quickly removed that row of copper that was in the blue bucket, got out the extra heat exchanger from the unit I just scrapped, and I installed it. The heavy ass bastard is. These are steel right here. This is steel, it's heavy. So I'm just going to leave it on the cart, hope it doesn't tip over. That'd be bad. So check it out. So I got 3 ports on it now. I got the suction port over here. And I got the gas port right there, which is where the originally processing tubes was at. And now I added this liquid line one right here. I mean, come on, look at those welds. Yeah, extruded with my spinning swage trick that I come up with, where it makes that little thick area right here nice for welding, nice and strong. Did that there, did that right there. Dude, it's awesome. Yeah, it looks like factory connections there. So oh well, wrapping it up. Everybody's yelling at me that it's time to eat. Something I was listening to on YouTube, a show, so that's one reason I wasn't recording. But I was just doing a quick little run. But so much for should have secured that. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. See what I'm going to do with the Little Bastard water heater project.